Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the headset. Plug it in until the battery reads around 50% and remove controllers or chargers. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to force shutdown. This clears transient glitches and resets internal states. Once done, wait 30 seconds to let capacitors discharge. This step prevents boot loops. Make sure to set the headset on a flat, stable surface with good ventilation, because thermal issues can hide as unresponsive behavior. Now power on normally and watch the boot sequence. You now tackle software-level fixes. If the simple restart failed, use the headset menu or the Oculus mobile app to trigger a factory reset. This removes corrupt settings that block startup. Next, confirm firmware and app are fully updated because mismatched versions cause connectivity errors. Once updated, repair controllers by holding their pairing buttons and follow on-screen prompts, and sign back into your account. This ensures saved data and licenses sync. Keep an eye on indicator LEDs to verify you finish by validating functionality across use cases. Launch several apps, navigate the home environment, and confirm tracking and audio work reliably. If problems persist, physically inspect the faceplate, lenses, and USB-C port for debris or damage, because hardware faults mimic software symptoms. Once done, reboot one final time to lock in settings. If nothing improves, contact support with the headset serial number. Exact error messages and photos. That speeds repair authorization and prevents repeat troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.